if we dismantle this Upphettta, it's actually a 3-piece part. So if we open the upper handle, it becomes 4-piece. So actually if we open this one, it becomes 6-piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-piece. So maybe I'm gonna do some cleanup because it is quite dirty. Inside here there's a lot of coffee and tea. So first we see here, this one is quite damaged. It almost went off. I put some glue before and it lasted for some times, but now I think I'm gonna do a restoration to make it last longer. First thing, we need a caliper, vernier caliper. Set it to 0, since we want to make this attach to the holder. So we dismantle this. It's 7.8, maybe I consider this to be 8. So then the broken upper holder, I tape it, uses this yellow tape to get the center. So here will be the center point that I need to drill. Get myself some little bit with 8mm, so that will do the job. First I use the smallest diameter, which is here is 2mm. Then I replace with the 8mm. So now we got a clean hole. Try to fit this one in, so it can fit in. So the sizing is very fit. Next we clean out using a anti-cutter. Next we use sandpaper, wrap around this brush to clean the burr. One is round shape like this, and we try to fit in the connector again, so that's fine. Next we glue it. You can use super glue, but I have this Upphettta. It's not that strong, but I think will do the job just fine. So we wait until it dry. Once you remove that, you see it is very dirty. This is all tea and coffee stain. Same goes here. See all this coffee stain and also tea stain. So this one we're gonna boil it with sodium bicarbonate before we clean up. Same goes with all this. We need to clean all this. All these are quite dirty. So let's go. We boil some water, and then we put a bit of soda bicarbonate. Then we just put all this inside. Meanwhile, to make sure that this glue attach longer, I'm gonna put some putty on top of this so that aesthetically it looks better and then it lasts longer. When it's dry, we're gonna sand this back and spray it matte black. Now we wait until it's dry and then we sand again. After a while, then we can wash them now. Now we leave them to dry. This one is hardly to clean all this stain from tea and coffee. If you want to make it cleaner, I suggest you maybe try making a new one. cool to dry evenly, we need to remove this, lower tire of the screw. Then we put inside of this. While fitting in, you can see that it's not even, so try to adjust it before the putty really dry. Much better now. So now let it dry first, and then we will sand it and repaint it black.